In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your funnel on systeme.io. Let's get started by getting you logged into your systeme.io account. Begin by visiting the systeme.io website and entering your login credentials. This is your key to accessing all the powerful tools the platform has to offer. Once you've typed in your details, simply click on the Sign In button to gain entry to your dashboard. With the dashboard in front of you, hover your mouse over to the website option. This area of the platform is where you'll find the tools to construct and manage your online presence. As you hover, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to select Sales Funnels. Clicking on this brings you to a list of all the funnels you've created. Now it's time to choose the funnel you wish to edit, so go ahead and click on the specific funnel from the list. This action takes you directly into the funnel's main management page, where you can see all the individual pages that make up your funnel. Once you're in the desired funnel, you'll want to determine which page you need to modify. Click on the specific page you want to work on, and you'll be opened into the page editor interface. This page editor is your creative space, allowing you to fine-tune and craft the experience you envision. In the page editor, you have a multitude of editing capabilities at your fingertips. You can change the content, which includes anything from text to images to videos and other elements on your page. If you're aiming for a specific look or feel, you can adjust the design by exploring different colors, fonts, and layouts. If you're using lead capture forms on your pages, modifying the form fields to capture the information you need can be easily done here as well. Beyond just aesthetics and content, there's functionality. You can set button actions. This means deciding what occurs when a user clicks a button. Do you want them redirected to another page, or perhaps you want to trigger an automated email sequence? The choice is yours. Finally, if you need to adjust the funnel flow, you can add, remove, or reorder the pages within the funnel sequence itself. This allows you to guide your audience through the precise journey you want them to experience, ensuring every step leads them to the desired outcome. And that's it. With these steps, you're fully equipped to edit and optimize your funnels in systeme.io. Make sure to save your changes before exiting to ensure everything is updated. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to make the most out of your systeme.io funnels. See you in the next video.